When you're deciding on your tool, think about the complexity of your magnet journey and, also the preferences of your team. Are you a visual learner who benefits from seeing tasks maybe on a Kanban board, or do you prefer maybe more of a structured timeline-based approach like a Gantt chart? You can also combine these tools for even better results. For example, you could use a Gantt chart to map out, your major milestones and timelines, while then using your Kanban board for day-to-day task management. And you can also incorporate dashboards to track overall progress and highlight key metrics at a glance. This can be really especially useful when you're trying to keep your key leaders informed on your progress. So the good news is there are plenty of options out there. The best tool is really the one that's going to work for you and your team. And of course, some of the popular choices are things like Excel. That's of course very popular. I've also used Smartsheets. And if you haven't used that, it's a fancy cloud-based Excel type program, but it has some advanced collaboration features. It's a really nice tool if you want to leverage that. There's also Trello and Asana. I have used Asana in the past, and it was actually fantastic. Now, the whole team needed to figure out how to use it, but once we got the team up to speed and we started to leverage that project management software, it was a fantastic system. There's also TallyPop, and TallyPop is specifically designed for magnet documentation. It's a really nice, streamlined, and user-friendly tool that's designed specifically for this type of work. So what I will say is that no matter which tool you choose, just make sure that it's something that's really easy to use, that's adaptable, that's also accessible to anyone who needs to use it. And I also want to emphasize something really important here, is that please do not feel like you need to use every tool or technique that I've mentioned here. Tools like Gantt charts and Kanban boards and dashboards can be, yes, incredibly powerful tools, but they can also be really overwhelming if you're new to project management. So just know that these are options that are out there and that there is no, one size fits all solution here.